Live at 5, Charlotte is one of a handful of cities with access to a new feature designed to keep you safe next time you call for a ride. Rideshare company Uber has rolled out a new feature that hopes to both prevent incidents and document them if they do happen.
WBTV Siobhan Bryan on your side tonight, explaining how the new added security measure works so your next Uber trip puts safety first.
Creating a record.
We've seen that audio can help tell the story of what went on during a trip.
To prevent violence.
Our hope is that people will behave a little better.
The largest rideshare company in the country hopes their new audio recording feature will help protect the people behind the wheel and those in the back seat.
Safety is not even a priority, it's a company value. 99.9% of Uber trips end without a serious safety incident.
But that 0.1% does happen. Uber released safety reports that show in 2017 and 2018, there were nearly 6,000 reports of sexual assault involving passengers and drivers. In a new report, that same number dropped to under 4,000. Riders are victims most of the time. But drivers are assaulted on the job as well. Uber says protecting everyone is crucial.
One incident is one too many, so we're always looking for ways to make the platform safer for riders and drivers, and we want to lean into technology in order to do so.
In the markets that have already tried out the new feature, riders and drivers say they feel more secure knowing they can safely record everything that happens in the car. That audio can be a key piece to investigating when something does go wrong.
They can go into their Uber app and set up audio recording through the safety toolkit. The safety toolkit is that little blue shield that you see on your home screen.
It's already available to Charlotte area users and was designed with privacy and de-escalation in mind.
We actually do not let any riders or drivers know in the moment that recording starts, that recording has started, just to an abundance of caution to avoid escalating a potential safety conflict.
The rider or driver can start recording at any point during the trip. And once the trip is over and that audio is recorded, you can't listen to it, and neither can Uber.
The only way that our support team can ever gain access to those recordings is if and when the user decides to attach that recording to a safety report, when they're letting us know that there was a safety incident, and that's when we will decrypt the audio and be able to listen to it.
The audio recording is just the latest in an arsenal of safety tools that include allowing riders to verify their driver with a PIN code, send a text message directly to 911 operators, and report safety incidents to Uber before their trip is even over.
We want to lean into technology as much as we can to do everything possible to make the platform safer.
For Safety First, Siobhan Bryan, WBTV on your side.
Siobhan, thank you. The audio recording feature was piloted in 2019 in Latin America and is currently live in more than a dozen countries and a growing number of U.S. cities.